If you have ever wondered what happens when you list personalized items in your Etsy store at Christmas time, well, you're absolutely going to love today's video because I'm going to clue you in on the entire process from start to finish on how to actually do these listings in your store so you can experience this for yourself this holiday season. Because when I did this, the results totally shocked me. So be sure to stick around for this entire video today because I'm going to show you exactly how to crush out more sales this holiday season using Printify to print and ship those personalized holiday items. Hey guys, Angie here, and I help aspiring entrepreneurs to build and scale Etsy stores using print on demand, which is my favorite business model because you do not have to stock any inventory or worry about fulfilling any orders. It is all hands off and done for you by Printify. So if you want to know how to master this business model and create for yourself lots of mini passive income machines on Etsy, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump into today's video. But first, make sure that you get registered for my free 7-day Etsy bootcamp to help you crush out more sales this holiday season. And you can also access the link below to get signed up 100% free with Printify, and you do not pay for anything until you actually make a sale on Etsy, and then you're going to pay the wholesale price for that product and they're going to directly ship it to your customers. So let's get into the fun part and show you exactly how you can do those personalized items on Etsy using Printify. So I am over here on Canva and we are on a 5,000 by 5,000 pixel template. And so what you need to do first is create a template or your design that you can work with and edit every single time someone provides you the name of the person that they are purchasing the mug for. And then you can easily come in here and edit this and then add that into your Printify template so they can easily and quickly ship this to your customer for you. If you didn't watch my video from last week on where I found this snowman face graphic and all the good stuff about the products that I sell at Christmas time, be sure to watch that video. I'm going to have it linked in the description box, and that's really going to help you out with more context to selling personalized holiday items. We have our template here. We just have a snowman face graphic and some text that we very easily added in Canva here. And then when you get a custom order, you can just duplicate this and then type the person's name here. So I went ahead and did it for an order that I have now. I typed that name and that name. Now, the cool thing about doing personalized holiday mugs is that a lot of people buy them for tons of different people in their family or for very large groups. My last video, I mentioned that my very first order of holiday custom mugs was from a sorority and they ordered 50 custom mugs, and that ended up being $1,097 for that one order of 50 mugs. So this can be extremely exciting, and I hope that you get these listed in your store this holiday season so that you too can experience how amazing these sell. So let's go ahead and move to the next step, which is putting these onto our mug mock-ups so that it looks like a real mug in your store. This is a mock-up that I purchased from Etsy and I just placed the design there. And this is a mock-up that I got from right here in Canva. So I'm going to show you how to quickly search for mock-ups in Canva that you can use for mugs. So under photos here, you can just type in mug mock-up and it will pull up all sorts of different fun mugs. And here we have a nice holiday one, which would be great for any personalized Christmas ones. So we can put that there like that and then drag and drop our design onto the mug. Now we are over on Etsy to list our personalized holiday mug, We're going to go ahead and upload our photos. As you see here, Etsy gives you 10 photo spots, so I would recommend using all 10. They give you examples of all the different angles that you can do it from and size and scale charts, variations. You want to provide as much details as possible for your Etsy customers. So I just went ahead and uploaded a couple photos as an example, but once again, you want to make sure that you're uploading as many photos as possible to fill out these 10 sections. So now I also have a care card with details about the mug and shop policies. I'm just going to rearrange these a bit and adjust the thumbnail to zoom in slightly so we can see the design a little bit better there. And save. Once you have all of your photos in place and your thumbnail as you would like, then you can come down here and fill in your title. And this is where your keywords are going to go. And I do have an entire video on how to research the keywords to make sure that you are putting them in here properly so that you can rank. If you're not doing keyword research and finding low competition but high search volume keywords, then you are going to lose out on potential traffic and your listing is going to be buried in many pages deep of the search versus getting on page 1 where most of the buyers are. How we do that, we put a low competition keyword here, and we also put a medium competition keyword and then a high competition keyword. And you would want to fill up your title with all 140 characters. And that's going to be several keywords, right? Not just one of each. As many low competition keywords as you can find, at least one medium competition, at least one high competition, ranked in order just like this. So an example of one of these keywords would be like personalized holiday mug, right? That's one keyword. And when you put this through the SEO tool that I recommend, which I'll link a video for that below as well, then you're going to know exactly what the search volume is for this versus the competition. So get your title all filled out, and then you want to fill out this section: who made it, what is it, and when was it made to order. And then for category, we're going to type in personalized holiday mug, and then you can see the categories that come up here, and we're going to select that one. And then it is ceramic, and we are going to choose our primary color of white, and then our secondary color we'll put pink, and this is an 11-ounce mug. For the occasion, I'm going to put birthday, and then for the holiday, we're going to put Christmas. Graphic, we have basically a cartoon character, and then you can go ahead and fill out the description. So with your description, you want to write a full paragraph utilizing all the keywords that you found for your title and tags in that paragraph to describe what your item is all about. And then you also want to make sure that you put the size. You want to let them know that they can customize it with a name and that it's great for gifts for family members or large groups. All the details about the care instructions, shipping time, your store policy for no refunds or exchanges, and thank them for supporting your small business. Next, you want to select your print partner, Printify, and then you want to add a section. Go ahead and put custom mugs, and then for tags, Etsy allows 13 tags, and these are also some of your keywords that you have researched for low competition, high search volume. So as you type them in, you just click add, and they're all going to be added right here, and it will tell you how many you have left. You want to use up all of those. And then for materials, we're going to put ceramic. Now we're going to go ahead and list our price, and I'm going to show you how much this is actually going to cost you versus how much you're going to charge your customer and how to calculate your profits. So first, let's go over to Printify and see our cost for this item. So our cost on Printify for a ceramic mug 11 ounces from District Photo is $4.63 for the mug itself and $4.99 for shipping. If you have Printify Premium, you're going to be paying a little bit less, and you can upgrade to Printify Premium once you're making some sales in your business. And you can see right here, it's taking them just a little over 3 days to make this mug. Now I'm over on the price calculator that I like to use inside of Sale Samurai. And I put, if we're going to charge $21.95 to the customer for the mug, our cost is $4.63 for the mug, $4.99 for shipping. Over here you have the Etsy listing fee, transaction fee, and processing fee. Those fees add up to $2.54. So then you can see you're at a 45% margin, and your estimated profit on this is going to be $9.79. So I'm going to go ahead and list that at $21.95, and then we want to make our quantity available, as many as we can, and then we want to make sure that we turn on personalization so that our customers can actually customize these items. So you're going to type, please type your custom name here. So this is what they're going to see at checkout, and then you want to make sure that that is checked for personalization. Oh no, I'm sorry. You want to make sure that that is unchecked so that personalization is not optional. This is required for them to be able to check out because this is a custom name mug. Now when it comes to shipping, we're going to go ahead and set up our shipping options. We want to select, I'll enter fixed prices manually. Shipping from the United States, and district photo is in Maryland, so that's their zip code. And for processing time, when we're getting closer into the holiday, it can take up to 2 weeks. So you can adjust this accordingly as needed, depending on where we are in the time of year. Right now it shows it's taking them less than 4 days to ship, but as we get closer to December, it's going to be more. So you can just set it to 1 to 2 weeks if you would like, or you can come in and edit it as you see that their shipping times are taking longer on Printify. For shipping here, we want to put first class mail, 1 to 5 business days, and we are doing free shipping. But we are going to cover the shipping with our cost over on Printify, and we built that into our price. Now, we aren't actually weighing and shipping these items. Printify or District Photo is doing that for us. So I just put in some numbers that I made up there, and then you are all good to go, and you can hit publish. It is going to charge you 20 cents to list your item. However, if you signed up for Etsy using a referral link, such as mine, which I will list down below, then you're going to get your first 40 listings for free, so you won't have to pay that on the first 40 items. So publish, and then we'll go take a look at it. Okay, so here we go. You can see this photo, you can see your care card, you can see your shop policies and some additional photos. Once again, you want to make sure that you put a lot more photos in here than I did, but to save time for this video, I just did 2. So you'll have all of your keywords there. The customer can type the name of the person for the mug here, and then they can add it to the cart, and then they can look down here and check out all of the description as well as the shipping times. So then you are all good to go. Now you want to come over to Printify, go to the catalog, home and living mugs, and then you can search by either your country location to find a print provider, or you can select the print provider by name. We are going to do District Photo, and we are going to scroll through until we find our 11-ounce mug, which is right there. And we can go ahead and start designing. So we're going to go ahead and add our custom design twice. We're going to put it once on the left side and once on the right side. So I just uploaded one photo, and we're going to move it over here. And this is our photo from Canva that we downloaded with a transparent background and that we are adding here into Printify. We uploaded our design twice, and then we're just going to go ahead and move this one over here, and then we're going to go ahead and preview it. So Printify is going to show you what your design is going to look like on your mug with the mock-ups that they have provided here, and it is printed on both sides of the mug, so you can see it on both sides there, and I think that looks pretty good. So then we're going to go ahead and save this. Then what you can do from there is duplicate this and then go in and edit the image every time you have a brand new customer's name. So we're going to click duplicate. Now we have a copy, and we're going to open this copy right up, and we're going to edit the design. Have our new design uploaded twice. If you want to delete the designs, you just delete them right there. So one more time, we're going to go ahead and preview this new custom name and see how it looks. And that looks pretty good. We're going to go ahead and save this product as well. And once you have your order from Etsy, since your Printify account is connected with your Etsy shop at the top right here, you're going to click on orders, and then you're going to click on other orders. Now, if you have listings that are not custom listings and you publish them from Printify to Etsy, so it's auto-fulfilled, those are going to show up right here under Printify orders. Now, ones that you list directly in Etsy and not published from Printify because they're custom and they cannot be auto-fulfilled because you have to edit the name, those are all going to show up right here. You're going to see the order right here, and you're going to see that it says not imported. So then you're going to click on this. You're going to see your two orders right here, and then you're going to select the product that you just made, and you're going to add it to this order, and you're going to see your customer's details right under here. Don't want to show the customer's details, so I'm covering that up. Once you clicked select product, then you're going to go ahead and select this one right here. You're not going to check this box, and then you're going to hit confirm. See, that product is now loaded up right here, and then you can go do the same thing with your second personalized product. Now you have both of your products in there, and all you have to do is hit import order. So I hope you enjoyed learning how to create personalized items on Etsy with Printify so that you can crush out more sales this holiday season. So go ahead and hop to it, get those items listed in your store, and I am so excited to hear the results once December comes. Be sure to leave me a comment down below if you have already tried this on Etsy or if you plan to do it this year. Give this video a big thumbs up if you got a ton of value today and you want to see more videos like this. And don't forget to click the next video on the screen here, because I have so much more to share with you on how to absolutely crush it on Etsy with print on demand. Make it an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video. Survive.